Hello and welcome to the Oral Health channel. I'm your friendly neighborhood dentist Dr. Rudram Mohan, and today we're going to be talking about coated tongue. Let's start. So let me tell you why coated tongue happens. Your tongue is basically composed of very small projections known as papillae, which are basically used for chewing purposes and making sure that your food slides down and gives you taste sensations. What you really need to understand is that these projections can also house bacteria, food debris and dead cells, which can lead to a coating, which is basically a coated tongue. Now, what are the causes of this coated tongue? The most common cause being dehydration. It happens especially when you wake up in the morning because you've not ingested water for a very long time and your mouth has become dry because of the fact that you've been asleep. So what you need to really understand is this is something which is very common and not something to be worried about. At the same time, if you really feel that it is causing a lot of bad breath, which is a byproduct of this, you might want to make sure that you take adequate amount of sleep and water. Also, sometimes there could be reasons that you're taking some sort of medication such as anti-inflammatory or antihistaminic tablets or sleeping pills, which might lead to a drier mouth and therefore leading to a coated tongue. If you are in a stressed out episode and your mouth is very dry for a long time, it can lead to a coated tongue as well. But also what you need to understand is if there is something else associated with this coated tongue, that means the coating is not being scrapable. That means it's not going off if you're using something to scrape it off, and it has something else like a boil or an ulcer or some reddish area which is accompanied by other symptoms such as burning sensation, you might want to get yourself checked out to your nearest registered medical practitioner or your dentist, because it might be something different. Also, people who consume tobacco and alcohol consumption on a regular basis might also have this kind of a problem of a coated tongue. So the only thing that you need to understand about this is it's not to be worried if you have a coated tongue. Yes, if you're having halitosis, you might want to identify the cause that is causing the coated tongue, and you should visit the dentist or a registered medical practitioner to ask how to take care of it. If you are poorly nourished, that might also lead to something like candidiasis. So whatever you need to do, don't get alarmed by it. You just need to contact your dentist or your doctor, and probably they will tell you the proper solution for it. So that's it for today. I hope you like this episode. Please like, share and subscribe and spread the word about oral health. Thank you.